Transaction on Holidays report. In Busy 21 10.0, a new report has been added called Transaction on Holidays. This report shows how many transactions were added on holidays. Essentially, this report is needed by auditors for auditing purposes. Let's see how to access this report in Busy. First, you need to configure the list of holidays. Only then will you be able to view this report. To do this, go to the administration and click on the configuration option and select the list of holidays. Here you can specify the days for weekly off, if any, and also specify the dates and reason for holidays. After doing this, if anyone adds a transaction, such as adding a payment voucher, and if the voucher date falls on a holiday, Busy will show a warning. But if you still want to proceed with posting the transaction, you can click yes to continue and save the voucher. Now, to access the report, go to display and find the transaction on holidays report under the checklist. Click on it, specify the date range, and if you want to exclude non-accounting vouchers such as stock journal, production, unassemble, select yes for this option. Then click OK. After opening the report, you can see all the vouchers that were added on holiday dates. This report is beneficial for auditors. So from Busy version 10.0 onwards, you will also be able to see this report. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.